Hi guys, welcome back, and here we are with 10 ways to save money on your food shop. You want the ultimate guide? Stay until the end and click in the comments if you've got ideas that you could have added to this. Number 1, meal plan. It's so easy just to go out there and rack up at the shops and impulse buy. Think, yeah, I might want that on Tuesday, or yeah, I could probably eat that at the weekend. But the truth is, meal planning gives you direction and it gives you a structure to work by. So bear in mind, taking into account what you've got going on in the week, be it be work all week, days out, or maybe you just need a couple of days where you can just relax and have an easier go. So think about some easier breakfasts that you can do. Easy lunches, maybe things you could prepare beforehand, especially for those that are going to work. If it's something you can maybe prepare the night before, so you can whack it in the fridge and just pull it out for your meal the next day. Try and also plan 5 to 7 dinners. It's really easy to just get sidetracked and just think, just put that in the oven. I'll just grab that out of the cupboard and do that quickly. But it's really easy to actually plan ahead when you sit and think about it. That way you can save money. It'll give you an opportunity to shop around for the cheaper price. And don't forget, you're going to want 2 to 3 snacks at least. Everybody gets peckish before meals, and everybody needs sometimes just a sweeter treat. So don't forget, there's always the options of baking rather than just buying the cheeky sweet snacks. Number 2, check what you have. I know it's boring and tedious, but it's always a good idea to make a note of the things that you already have in the cupboards, the fridge and the freezer. Especially take note of the things of the fresh vegetables and fruit that do need using. So check through everything and try and make some meals with what you've got left in your cupboards first. That way you know the days of the week that you've got left, and it might just cut down on a few of the meals, or at least some of the ingredients for the meals that you've got planned ahead. So remember, check first, then do your shopping list. Make your meals around whatever's left. Easy. Number 3, try using frozen fruit and veg. It lasts longer, it's just as good for you, it can reduce waste, and it's generally cheaper in the long run. You could easily use it in soups and stews, even pasta bake. It's a great one just to switch. You don't have to have all frozen veg, but it's a really good one for the bulk meals that you want to bake up. Number 4, batch cook. This is a great one. Just make bigger portions of whatever you desire at the time. Pasta bake, curry, soups, chili. It's a great one to make a bigger batch of for little to no extra ingredients. Just to bulk it out with vegetables and, like we said earlier on, even the frozen veg. That way you can pop half in the freezer. Voila, you've either got a meal for another day and save money that way, or it'll be an absolute game changer on those lazy days if you're just hectic and need to relax. It'll stop you from ordering a cheeky takeaway. And you can just take it out the freezer and pop it in the oven. 5, try to lower your meat use. It's an easy substitute when you can use beans, veg, or even lentils, especially when you're cooking soups and stews, even pies. Lentils is a great one because it's nutritious, really good for you, and it actually bulks things up and fills you up really well. And there's a huge range of lentils and beans out there that actually give you a healthy lifestyle too. So don't forget, where possible, especially if you're using things like gravy, you could easily use lentils or beans instead, and it does lower the cost a lot. Number 6, make sure you list the quantities that you want on your shopping list. It's so easy to just forget when you're out shopping, everybody's pushing and shoving and it's just busy and chaotic. Let's face it, nobody likes a food shop. It's easy to get distracted. So don't go browsing. You've got your shopping list, go straight for the product and out again. Not only that, you will save an absolute fortune if you're not window shopping for the other things that aren't on your list. It will make you impulse buy. It's just human nature. So remember, on your shopping list, try and write a quantity of everything that you need. Number 7. Remember to check the price per weight. It's so easy to get sidetracked and distracted with the yellow stickers, the buy one get one frees, the multi-buys. But sometimes that's where they have you. You've really got to check the price per weight. Number 8. This one might be a tough one for some out there, but try considering swapping brands of your products. For instance, rather than Heinz, maybe lower your hopes and buy a cheaper brand. Especially on some of the tinned products or dry products, you might not even know the difference. So for instance, you could swap your pasta brand for a cheaper, even a supermarket brand of pasta, rice, tinned tomatoes. Think about other products as well, such as flour, sugar. It might be worth just making the slight switch and making a world of difference to your bank account. Number 9. Emergency meals. It's always a good idea to have 2 to 3 emergency meals as a backup. Whether it be beans on toast, fried rice, jacket potato, or just pasta with tinned tomatoes. You never know what the future holds in that week. It's always a good idea to have a backup, and it doesn't need to be expensive. And it also allows that possibility of the fact that you're going to order a quick takeaway. If you know you've got something quick and easy just there on standby, it means you haven't necessarily got to dash out and spend extra money that you may not have. Number 10. Now this is the most important that I think everybody should know, and I think people do it anyway. Don't go shopping hungry. If you go shopping hungry, you know you're going to impulse buy and you can't help it. You're hungry there and then. Everything's delicious when you're hungry. Even the things that won't be on your list. You'll just sneak this in here and there, and before you know it, you've spent maybe £10-20 on things that you didn't even want or need. You just impulse bought because you're hungry. Even if you just cram a banana in your mouth before you go shopping, or a quick sandwich, just to take that edge off, it'll help you think clearly and it'll just stop the impulse buys. There we have it, guys. Thank you for watching. That's 10 habits to help you save money on your food shop. And remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about building new habits, planning ahead, and saving money. Thank you.